Everyone, thanks for choosing Acadiana's news channel at 10 o'clock. Plans to redevelop the old federal courthouse, AOC building, and police station are moving forward. And tonight's meeting, the Lafayette City Parish Council approved a $1.4 million contract between the city and developers. Three's on the street tonight. Danielle Garcia live at the old federal courthouse with more on what's to come. Danielle.
Marcel, Jim, for years, these buildings have been sitting in the prime area of downtown, vacant and unused. Now the City Parish Council has given unanimous approval to Mayor President Joel Robideau, allowing him to sign the contract with developers.
It's going to be a good development. It's going to bring a lot of people to town.
After months of negotiations, the old federal courthouse, AOC, and police department buildings sitting on the corner of Jefferson and Main Street will soon be put to use. The proposal would build a total of 68 apartments in 3 buildings, along with commercial space.
One of the biggest economic drivers of the city is the ability to have urban living. A lot of younger people want to live in an urban environment where they can do everything that they need to do within walking distance.
Developers Place de Lafayette and the Weinstein Group were chosen earlier this year to develop the property. Yes. Council members and the administration believe this development will serve as a catalyst to bring more businesses to downtown.
I mean, the development that's going to occur because of this project is going to get that residential component. It's going to show other developers, other banks and lending institutions that they should lend money for projects similar to this. And I think we're going to see an explosion from this point on.
And people who went up to the podium agreed. They're excited to see something being done.
The Downtown Development Authority fully supports the redevelopment of the old federal courthouse site. Investments and improvements in our downtown make all of our bottom lines better.
This puts to bed the rest of having this dormant piece of property for 20 years sitting on the main street of Jefferson Street of downtown.
Now construction must begin by July 2019 and finished by December 2020. If not, then some hefty penalties could be set for the developers. 3's on the street live in Lafayette. Danielle Garcia, KATC TV3.